Nowadays, I am seeing lot of patients suffering from viral infection, cough, cold, congestion, body aches. According to Ayurveda, this happen due to increased vata in the environment, which weakens the immunity and dry up the respiratory system. If you wanted to heal faster and recover naturally, add this simple tip to your routine, which is Sunti Siddhi Jala. Add 1 liter of water in the vessel, add pinch of dry ginger in it, boil it for 5 to 7 minutes, sip this water throughout the day. And it will help to reduce congestions, cough and cold, improve digestion and respiratory system. Balance Vata and Kapha, and you will see the difference within 3 days. Hope this helps stay warm. Happy winter.